looking for an interior designer to design your dream home, there are a list of burning questions that you already have. Interestingly, research suggests that how to make a small bedroom look bigger was one of the most Googled questions of the year 2022. Yes, indeed. Just hold on, we'll answer that for you. Abhishek and Shalini feels that Design Cafe's expert-led solutions have helped them maximize storage and utilize it to their utmost without compromising on the look and feel of the entire house. It's just as they expected, and that feeling of seeing your dreams turning into a reality is surreal. How did we do it? Well, Design Cafe promises 20% extra space in your house irrespective of the size of your house. Sounds interesting, right? By the way, with that, I have also answered the most Googled question about how to make a small space look bigger. So if you're looking for a transformation like this and want to make your house look much more bigger, then click on the link below for a free design consultation and our designers will get in touch with you. And not just that, do watch till the end to know some amazing design hacks that you can use while designing your dream home. Before we dive right in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from Design Cafe. If that's done, let's begin. I'm here today at this beautiful 3 BHK of Mr. Abhishek and Mrs. Shalini. Abhishek is a scientist at Wipro and Shalini is a homemaker. And this home is an ethereal beauty, I must say. With innovative multifunctional design elements combined with a gorgeous showcase of contemporary design sensibilities, this house is exactly as they envisioned their dream home to be. So I am Rukmini Saha from Design Cafe Homes and welcome to this beautiful 3 BHK at Godrej Air, Bangalore. Being a perfect host is more than just the cocktail and the food. The first impression is also very, very important. And a foyer area like this is the perfect way to say welcome home. Abhishek and Shalini were very particular that they wanted a lot of storage in the foyer area. So that is why the stall unit along with a shoe unit and a drawer was designed here, which looks very functional as well as meditative, making a beautiful entryway. One of the major highlights of this foyer area has to be this foyer wall. It's just so soothing to the eyes, right? Along with that, this brass-plated artistic mirror, the calming Buddha, adds to the beauty of this foyer area. Also interestingly, there's a wooden partition done here whose color scheme is in sync with the kitchen color as well. The living area and the dining area have been very minimally designed with just fixed storages like the TV unit and the crockery unit here. The other design elements that enhances the look of this gorgeous living room has to be the false ceiling design along with the ceiling lights. Selecting the right size of sofa is very important depending upon the shape and space in your living room. So here's a quick design hack for you guys. Always go for sectional sofa if your house has open floor plans because sectional sofa helps define space and gives separation to the space. On the contrary, if your house have a very limited space in the living room, then go for L-shaped sofa because that adds to the functionality without compromising on the beauty of the living room. If you want to know more about living room designs, then click on the link in the description below to know about 5 different types of living room designs. This kitchen is a perfect design inspiration for a kitchen with low natural light, yet so bright. I'll tell you how that was done. Our designers have used high gloss laminates and white as the base color here, and that obviously helped. A tall unit has also been designed here with a microwave unit, a wicker basket area and lot of storage options so that everything can be pushed inside and this area can look neat and tidy. Lastly, there are also aesthetically designed corners like these so that Shalini can utilize them to keep planters or artifacts to enhance the look of this entire kitchen. A master bedroom that resonates with you is everything that you need. Abhishek wanted a TV unit and Shalini wanted a huge dresser with a huge mirror. So accommodating to both their requests, our designers have designed this innovative TV cum dresser unit. Lastly, the choice of laminates and the colors used here complements the wooden flooring, which has been kept very minimalistic, giving this space a timeless charm. As this room wasn't very spacious like the other rooms, that is why a sliding wardrobe was designed here so that it adds to the functionality of the room but also provides ample space to move around. Apart from that, a very simple puja unit was also designed here with lot of storage options as well. Don't you think this looks so simple yet so beautiful? The overall aesthetics in this guest bedroom is very neutral, emitting soft hues that helps create a very warm and a cozy ambience.
So this kids bedroom belongs to Avika and Arav, the brother-sister duo. So we have the his section in blue, which is Arav's favorite, and her section in purple, which is Avika's favorite color. What's interesting is in this small room, we have a wardrobe with a very interesting dressing with storage unit. In Design Cafe, we guarantee 20% extra storage, hence more room for more joy. So we have this huge study table with ample storage space. There's a space for bag, for books and award sections. So the kids wanted a lot of open spaces. So apart from the bookshelf, I've designed this beautiful open unit here where they can keep their stuffed toys, their photo frames and anything else. As a designer, I would like to give you one quick tip. So in the kids' bedroom, keep the space more open, minimalize the furnitures like this hidden and compact dressing unit. So this serves the purpose but doesn't take up much space in the bedroom.
If you want to know more about designing a kid's bedroom, then click on the link below to know ways how you can bring your kid's bedroom to life. It was such an absolute treat to take you through this swanky dream home of Shalini, Abhishek and their wonderful family. In the comments below, we would love to know which was your favorite area. My favorite for sure was the living area because it was so minimalist yet so beautiful. Hit the like button if that was your favorite too. We are so glad that they chose Design Cafe as their interior design partner and made us a part of this beautiful journey. Do let us know about your wishes too, and Design Cafe will make your dream home a reality. All you got to do is click on the link below for a free design consultation and our designers will get in touch with you. Hit the like button if you really love this video. Until next time, this is me Rukmini Saha signing off. See you soon in another beautiful episode from Design Cafe Home.